What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So, green on the day, back in the win column, got a good trade, and nothing too crazy. Smaller size, probably maybe like a 10% scalp or something like that. Nothing huge, but show you where the setup came in. A lot of early chop. You can see this kind of just sideways action. Came down, swept these pre-market lows, and then made a nice move back up. Created 3 FPGs, but this was the closest one, the one that got tested. So this is the one I played. Got the move back into it. Got a nice little reaction here. Entered pretty tight stop below. I left it a little bit below this FVG just to give it a little wiggle room. But got a nice move up. Trimmed on this candle high here. Came back down. Snagged my break even. Break even moved up a little bit just with data, just with contracts, you know. But anyway, snagged my break even. And then ran up to hit the high day. So not the end of the world. Good trade process wise, which is the thing that's more important. And just kind of taking it one step at a time. You know, this week's been a little bit tougher for me. Just the action's been a little bit more difficult, and I'm not sure if it's related to the data, but it's something I'm going to look into. We had CPI this week, and just the action I found pre-CPI was a little bit tougher. You know, after CPI, which I think was like yesterday or the day before, action's been much more favorable for me, and I've caught better trades and just have better opportunities. So, going to look into that moving forward, whether the data it's related to the data or not. If it is, I'm going to just look the size down, FOMC, CPI, these type of data weeks, and kind of just take it from there. I think it's important if you're struggling, if you're having a little rough patch with your trading, I think it's important to A, size down, but B, continue with your process, continue with the same way you're trading, unless you're doing it for a certain amount of days, weeks, month, whatever, and you're still seeing that same problem. Maybe then tweak your system, but if it's just a few trades, you know, your system's working out very well, and then you get a few rough trades or a few days where, you know, maybe it's not going your way. Just stick to your process, maybe size down a little bit if it's appropriate for you, and just continue doing the right things, just trading the right way. Don't go on tilt, don't go crazy trying to revenge trade, doing all that stuff. I've done that before, just a black hole. So just do the right process, even if it's not rewarding you at the moment. Doing the right things will pay off in the long run. And I think today was an example of that. Again, doing the same things earlier in the week. They weren't the best trades, but I was doing the same process earlier. Took a few losses today. Same process, came out with a nice win. So that's going to be it for today. Appreciate you guys all for coming. See you in the next one. Peace.